Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be repurposing two rings and transforming them into a ring guard that contours around an existing ring. So we have our rings right here. The one with the red stone is the current ring that is being worn. We're going to be repurposing the two existing bands that are next to it. Those are going to be transformed into the ring guard. What a ring guard is, we're going to have one of these on this, contouring around, and then the other one is going to be on the other side. And then there's going to be a bar on these 2 points, and that basically will make it into one whole ring that then is able to fit around this one. So our first step, we're going to remove the bridging on this, and we're going to start making it so that way it's in line and can start taking the shape that we need it. We've removed some of the tops of the ring. Now we're going to start bending them and into a better shape. So we've got our ring and we've contoured them, so they're both fairly similar. So we can kind of see when we rest this ring on here that you've got kind of this contouring going on. At this point in time, we're going to be working on filling in this section on both of these rings, and in doing that, we're going to leave this large gap because we actually have to increase the size of both of these to be the appropriate size. So we've just cut some stock and we're going to be putting those, so we have the pieces in the rings, we're going to be soldering those in now. So we've put the piece in, we're going to be sizing the ring now. We have our ring, so we've cut into it. We're going to increase its size by sliding it up the mandrel. And once we've got it into a good spot, we're gonna take our piece of gold, we're gonna score it, and then cut that. We've added the sizing stock in. Now we're going to be grinding and hammering the ring to the correct size. We're going to start filing the top, making it more contoured to fit the other ring. So we filed it to shape. We're gonna go through and get some more of the fine details with sandpaper wheels. We have our rings pre-polished, and we've got two pieces that we're gonna attach to the bottom of it, creating basically bars, and that's what's going to keep these two rings together and turn that into a more of a ring guard type of ring. We're going to take our pieces of metal and we're going to tack those and solder them onto the rings. So we've attached the two bars on. We've checked to make sure that the ring fits in there. So at this point in time, we could start removing the excess and do final cleanup. We have our ring, it's all soldered, pre-finished, so we're gonna do final polishing. The ring's now gonna go into the ultrasonic for cleaning. The piece is now going to be rhodium plated. Thanks for joining us today as we converted these two rings into a ring guard. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. If you're looking for custom jewelry, feel free to check out our website, fgconclusions.com.